Want to know the top 10 trending technologies to learn in 2024? Well, buckle up, for we're about to embark on an enlightening journey into the future of tech. First on our list is generative AI. This technology pushes the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can do, creating new content from scratch. From generating human-like text to creating realistic images, generative AI is a powerful tool in the hands of creators and innovators. Next, we have cybersecurity. As our world becomes increasingly digital, the need for robust, advanced cybersecurity measures is paramount. Cybersecurity isn't just about preventing attacks. It's about building resilient systems that can withstand and recover from them. Third on the list is sustainable tech solutions. As climate change continues to impact our planet, the need for green, sustainable technologies is more urgent than ever. From renewable energy sources to eco-friendly manufacturing processes, sustainable tech is the way forward. Fourth, we come to cloud computing and DevOps. These technologies have revolutionized the way businesses operate, making it easier than ever to deploy, monitor, and manage applications and services. Fifth on our list is data science and analytics. In an age where data is king, these skills are in high demand. They allow businesses to make informed, strategic decisions based on concrete data and trends. Next up is human-computer interaction. This field focuses on designing and implementing user-friendly interfaces that make technology accessible to all, regardless of their tech savviness. Seventh is blockchain. Beyond its application in cryptocurrencies, blockchain holds immense potential in creating secure, decentralized systems for a variety of sectors, from healthcare to supply chain. Coming in at number 8 is full-stack web development. This skill is essential in the digital age, allowing developers to work on both the front end and back end of websites and applications. Ninth on the list is virtual reality and augmented reality. These immersive technologies are transforming industries from gaming to healthcare, offering experiences that are more interactive and engaging than ever before. Last, but by no means least, is robotic process automation. This technology uses AI and machine learning to automate routine tasks, increasing efficiency and productivity. In summary, these top 10 technologies offer a glimpse into the future of our digital world. They have the potential to reshape industries, revolutionize the way we work, and even change how we interact with the world around us. As we move further into the 21st century, those who master these technologies will be at the forefront of the next wave of innovation and progress. So gear up and get ready to dive into the future of tech.